look out till I die, you know?
Yeah.
He ain't gonna bet shit unless he's fit.
Oh shit, boy, he be working that wheel.
I got some 109 Octane.
Small block or big block?
I got small block.
Okay. Oh shit! Boy, that's a bad motherfucker, right?
I got some 109 Octane.
Oh, don't. Hey, you, I thought, hey! Damn, man.
I got some 109 Octane.
White line for the win.
I hate down here talking
The
about principle.
yeah, yeah. Okay.
5.3 gap rings.
5.3 gap rings.
Sloppy stage 2 cam.
Sloppy stage 2 cam.
7875 turbo.
7875 turbo. TH400 transmission. Holly Terminator.
Holly Terminator.
Okay, okay. Let's see. We finna see what you got. Yeah, they don't hurt him. Oh, okay. You want to try the Caprice?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try you in the Caprice. Oh, it'll probably be slow. Look out racing. Yeah, it's going down. You want to put your shout out in?
No, fuck thank you, buddy. You get 150.
Taking all day. Y'all just call him. Call him.
Let me put it down for my man. Look out.
Yeah.
We're talking about some bullshit.
Yeah. Small block, nitrous turbo or supercharger?
That's all in May right now.
Oh, okay. Should be an interesting race. Oh, the transmission.
Transmission broken that motherfucker.
Oh, watching on TikTok. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Uh-oh. Is that how he post up? Okay. Yeah, what? Oh! Hey! God, man, what are you doing? Okay, he trying to do something. Oh, okay, he needs some room. He needed some room. Oh! Shit, don't do nothing. Oh! Shit, what? Oh, shit, he got too much power for him. I'm gonna push his ass up against the... What happened fucking time?
I'm gonna get on my homeboy.
Oh, he...
I'm banging on that. Yeah, we might. That's why he's trying to bet.
Oh, okay.
That trans down way fast. Hey, appreciate that. These bad motherfuckers the best thing.
Yeah.
Hey, I paid him for $10 and you want to refund. He ain't gonna do shit. Let's be fixed.
Okay, D-Let through Theo? Yeah.
For the second time.
Yeah, for the second time. There go Lil Diamond. Oh, shit. There go my, oh, shit. Oh. Oh.
Boom!
I shouldn't have used your name, Tiffany. I need to. Appreciate it. Come that bike. Oh, look how crooked he is. Oh, that done gave him some horsepower. Uh-oh. Re-seen that.
Birds and land mode in this truck.
Got left on.